Okay, we are 2 weeks away from the end. This is your module 6. And um, as we have been doing the last few modules, we're just taking our basic understanding of our agency and we're continuing to add and build to it. This is your last build. This is the last block. So on this one, you're going to go through, you're going to read your articles, listen to your lectures, and this one, your only video is to watch the court ordered client video, and it talks about working with court ordered and mandated clients because that's what you're going to add a section on for your discussion board. So it's a real short video and it's the only one you've got. There's no lecture videos, but there are some articles there that can also help you get some strategies. So what you're going to do with your discussion board is you're going to maintain the same agency information that you've had, and you're going to talk about what are 4 to 6 strategies. Now, I know you'll hear this a lot in the lecture, but when we talk about strategies, we are talking about those rules and regulations, policies that we all have to go by. If you get hired somewhere and they say you have to work 1 year before you can take a week vacation, that's a strategy. If they say um, in your Lindsay program, they'll say uh, you have the right to appeal a grade, but you have to appeal it within 7 days. That's a strategy. So that's what we're talking about here. What are 4 to 6 strategies and discuss the reason for each one, 4 to 6. Not a lot of writing. It can be bullet pointed, numbered, whatever. 4 to 6 strategies that if your agency gets court or mandated clients, that you want those to go by. Maybe how they get the referral system. How do they communicate with the other law enforcement government agencies involved? How do you protect their information? What about if they test? What about if they confide in you that they are using and they're in there for substance abuse, or they're in there because their kids were removed? Like, how do you want your agency to handle court ordered mandated clients, and what are the rules and regulations strategies? And I want you to know, again, if I've not said it anywhere else, we use the term strategies because that's the CACREP word, and we want to make sure that we stay within the CACREP language. But a lot of us talk about policy and procedure, but it's the same interchangeably. It's strategy is the term that we're using, but that's what we're talking about. What is allowable to be disclosed to a referring agency? That is a policy and procedure that you're going to write for your agency. We're just using strategies for the sake of staying CACREP standard, okay? So what are the rules for them scheduling and not showing? So you want to get 4 to 6 things here that you can talk about, that this is how you want court ordered or court mandated um, non-voluntary clients. How are we going to protect them, serve them? How does that look for you and your agency? And then again, it's not a lot of work. This is 5 and 6 are giving you a lot of time to also work on your paper. So we've got one more module to go, and I'll see you in 7.